Ooh, how is everybody doing on this fine, beautiful, gorgeous Saturday afternoon? It's really nice out. It's a little windy. We got like full flag out. I think that's like what, like 45 miles an hour or something like that. Doesn't seem too quiet out here. A lot of essential things must be going on today. But you know what the funniest thing I've heard today is? Illinois be throwing out temperatures like Powerball numbers. Anyway, let's see what we've got going on already today. Alrighty, so we've already gotten in a iPhone 8 Plus for screen repair today, which means we've got our new replacement screen here, which means we've got our replacement screen gasket, which other shops don't usually do. Yes, I've actually been told that other shops say that that doesn't exist, but it does. This is a sticky glue thingy that seals the edge of the screen down with the frame. Now, I can't really guarantee water resistancy or anything, but I bet you it's a lot more likely to be resistant than if you don't put a new one of these in. The tricky part is when you open up the screen, this thing is just like some weird goo stuff that just comes off, and like it's literally not made to be reused ever again. Thanks, Apple. These cost like $4 a pop, $5 a pop, by the way. So then, why would we not get a deal on a tempered glass screen protector for the screen? And then we've got a new battery. And we got a new battery because my buddy here happened to see my post earlier. If you haven't seen it, go check it out, where I reminded people that Apple kind of got caught slowing down everybody's phone if it detects an old bad battery. Yeah, that's why you thought that you needed a new phone. Probably didn't need a new phone, probably just needed a new battery. So he went to his settings, went to the battery, went to battery health, and it turns out he's got a 79% battery capacity. No wonder the thing ran like crap and he had to charge it all the time. So, when we replace this battery, it'll be restored to 100% of new battery capacity, and the phone will start working pretty much just as fast as it did before, because now the operating system's not slowing it down to try and help you get more battery life without telling you that. So, if you get a battery replacement and it's still running a little bit slow, then we recommend it's time for a factory reset. So make sure you back up all your stuff, log into your Apple ID in a computer or like in another browser or something, and make sure all your contacts and whatnot show up. Go check your photos and videos, and make sure they're all backed up, and then just wipe the whole phone clean. No matter what we do, it's just never really possible to clean up all of the kind of cruft and extra stuff that ends up getting built up in a phone or a Windows or Mac operating system. So, in my humble opinion, it's always good measure to just kind of do a factory reset once every year or two, maybe, I'd say, depending on your use as well. So, if you've got an essential repair, stop on out, say hi, come visit the D-Corona Zone, and, give me a chat for 3-5 minutes. Like to say hi, I'm your local tech guy. Peace!